Shout out liwat sila City Boxing Team, Coach Richanel Valdez, at Cadiz City Boxing Team, George Dico. Again, this is the main event of the evening, Sumbagmang Kasanon 2024, and celebration of 42nd Pasalamat Festival of Lac-Carlotas City. Again, thank you so much, Coach Jerry T. Ion, Coach Aden Nietes, and the rest of technical officials for this event. Kanami ka mga haboy, no? Nanamihan ko yung magtanaw yung mga style wala nga nami tanawon scientific ara ang counter, ara ang nami ano bala giyon ni Christian bala ang sa red ano kay hulog-hulog lang pero ga connect ano ato what highlights job straight oh counter back nan hulog 1 counter nami man kay ano ba nami man kay libo ano Ayo. May maloko gini karon ko. Mayo sila meronan. Wala. Yeah. Yan. Nami ka mga counter, no? Oh, dua sila ga vice versa, no? Wow. Wow. Wapo. Straight. Again, on the red corner are Christian Dimapeles from La Carlota City and Elmer Libon from Morsha in the blue corner. Guapo. And of round 2. Again, I will take this opportunity to invite you ang highlights pala nila sa 28 may ara sila street dance and arena dance competition for the 42nd Pasalamat Festival of La Carlota City. And again, thank you so much kay kay Sir Dandy Lumay Cafe, ara lang gid sa may lapit-lapit lang gid, no, damo po, no, Lumay Cafe. They serve broad cafe, mango shake, iced coffee, iced tea, may foods, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. May ara man sila mga ice cold beer. Lumay Cafe. Search nyo lang sa sa Google Map, Lumay Cafe kung ari ka mo di sa La Carlota. Wow, bro, dumit nami. Yes. Okay, Allah. Worth it For me, worth it ang Wow. Nami ka biluhanay, no? Again, kudos sa Mangkas Boxing Club, no, makita mo gid nga may mga potential kag may may product na ang Mangkas Boxing Club of La Carlota City. Oh, nami gid ka mga event. Again, thank you so much La Carlota City Mayor Dr. Rex Halanduon for this boxing event of La Carlota City. And shout out Sir Manuel Pachico, Sir Romuel Samson, and Sir King Hanolino. Yes, ang mga organized na gid nga Glove Steward no mo ni sina Sir Manuel Pachico, Romuel Samson, and Kane Hanolino. Shout out kay Coach Ryan Camelo, Coach Eisner Dolorosa, sa aton mga amigo no si Norman Bandada, Nelson Arellano, Coach Rosano Miranda, Coach Limuel Bihar, tama no? Kay Sir Norman Helado. Well, again, thank you so much Mangkas Boxing Club, Coach Jerry T. Ayon, Coach Aden Nietes, and La Carlota City Mayor Dr. Rex Halandoon. Tapos, siyempre kung may mga hampang tanga boxing, don't forget to invite Kuya BJ for the live coverage and highlight boxing event. So, thank you so much. Worth it ka namin. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, mag-like, at pindutin ang bell button para maging updated sa mga boxing competition.